So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy NVIDIA stock, ticker symbol NVDA on Moomoo. So once Moomoo's opened up, what I want you to do is I want you to go to either the bottom left and press on markets, or go to the top right and press on the search icon. Either one will work. In this case, I'll go to the top right and press on search. Once you're here at the top, I want you to type in ticker symbol NVDA. As you can tell, NVIDIA right here is the one you're looking for, so go ahead and press on that. Then once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on trade, then press on buy. Once you're here for session type, go ahead and do your regular trading hours or pre or post market. Your order type, you can select limit or market order, as well as some conditional orders. You can also adjust the price and the quantity. Once that is done, press this green buy button right here, and that is how you guys can purchase NVIDIA stock. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy NVIDIA stock here on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.